Hello everyone. So today we're going to see another question of CodeChef. The question name is fake certificates. So this question was asked in the Starters 125, and this one is a pretty much good question because it is based upon the real life scenario. We all used to apply fake medical certificate when we encounter shortage in our attendance. So in this question, what we have given actually we have given n, that is representing the length of the binary string, and binary string is one which contain only zero and ones. And if we encounter one in the string, it means at that day we are present, and if we encounter zero, that means that day is marked as absent. So in this question we have given that we have to find the longest substring uh, for which we apply our medical certificate. So to find that longest substring, firstly I what I have done that I take two variables, count 0 and count 1. In count 0 I am going to show the value of number of days in which 0 is encountered, and count 1 for storing the value of number of days in which the attendance is marked as present, and another variable pre variable which is going to store the longest substring on through which I am going to apply the medical certificate. So let's start with the for loop. We are traversing all our binary string. If we encounter 0, that is going we are going to increase the value of our count 0, and if we encounter 1, we are going to increase the value of count 1. And to find the maximum sub string through which we are going to apply our medical certificate, we are going to see if I show through this diagram that if we have firstly counted all the ones in the string, that means number of ones in the string is only 2, and the best medical certificate substring is going to be this one. We are going to apply medical certificate for these 2 days, and to do that we have taken pre-variable. In pre-variable, firstly we have stored integer dot mean value, and based upon that it is going to increase firstly by 1, then it is going to be increased to 2, and at the end it is going to be 1 again. But we need the maximum value. To get the maximum value we are going to use the integer math dot max function. And one more scenario here, if we see in our code what we have what I have actually did that uh, after the loop ends I also added a line that prib is equal to math dot max in bracket prib comma mid. That line I used because if I never went to this loop part of loop, because I only going to this part of the loop when I encounter one in my bind string. And if I never went to that string, my problem arise here that the pre value is going to be integer dot mean value. To update that value, when I when our loop end, we are going to add this line here. Otherwise, it's going to be show error. I firstly submitted that I got error. So after that, we are going to print the value of count 0, count 1 plus pre, and that is going to be as if I run this code, that is going to be me the output as mentioned. So this one is the whole question. Thank you.